Alright guys, well today is the day. We are on our way to the shop to get the new spoon exhaust installed on the FL5. I've been waiting for this day for so long. I've been kind of going back and forth, and I was debating what exhaust to get for the FL5. I really couldn't decide. And I finally just decided to suck it up and pay the cost of what the spoon exhaust was. I think it was, with shipping and everything, it was about $4,800. Pretty pricey for a Honda exhaust. Pretty pricey for any exhaust, honestly, for any car. But I think it's really gonna make the car look a lot better. I think it's gonna make it sound a lot better. So let's head to the shop and let's get this exhaust installed. We're getting the new exhaust on today. One, two, three, four. All right, so this is with the stock exhaust. Rev it to like maybe 4K. So first you're going to have to start by removing the rear diffuser here to remove the rear muffler. It's just a few clips around the bottom, and then one looks like 10 mil or 8 mil up there. I can't really tell. Looks like a 10 mil. There is actually 2 more clips, one up here kind of in the wheel well and one on the other side as well you're going to have to pull out. Here's a little up close of the new spoon muffler. Ooh.
You got it?
We're good.
Alright, hold on, we got it. I think we got it.
Everything's fine.
I can't believe it's one piece.
Save weight on bolts and nuts, correct?
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry buddy.
Damn!
Going in the video.
I'm calling.
Like that?
No.
Well, where do you like it? Right there?
No, just don't do any of that. Alright, we're free.
And down it goes in one piece. Holy. Always lube your hangers so it's easier to get off next time. Because the factory does not put lube on the hangers, and it was extremely hard to get the stock exhaust on. Also, I kind of mentioned it before, the stock Type R exhaust is one piece. It is very long, it is very heavy. It's definitely a 2-person job if you're doing this at home. But yeah, I don't know why Honda made it one piece. Kind of strange, but the stock exhaust is out. Alright guys, the muffler is on. Honda uses these kind of 3-pin hangers where 2 of them are on the exhaust and then the one in the middle is the one that actually hangs on the car itself. Just like the other side is just kind of a 3-point hanger design. And the 2 hangers right here on the subframe. Slide in nice and easy. So to complete the catback system, you are going to have to remove the tray here and take off the front piece right before the actual first cat off the turbo. And it does kind of snake over the subframe here, and there is a hanger point right here that you do have to remove the hanger for. So once you remove the 3 bolts here, you can slowly work the pipe up and over the subframe and pull it out. And the spoon one is going in now. And just like that, the front part of the exhaust is on right off the cat. So right here is the OEM valve connection, and honestly I would probably recommend just zip tying it up there just so that it doesn't hang and rub on the exhaust right there, but super simple. Zip tie it up and you'll be good to go. You got X.
Race car as fuck.
Alright, we're gonna do a sound test of the new exhaust here. So this is a Spoon N1 FL5 exhaust. Guys, we're back at the house. Sorry, I didn't really record the drive home, but man, look at those exhaust tips. I am honestly much more of a fan of the dual tip than the 3-tip exhaust. I mean, it's just personal preference. I know some of the aftermarket exhaust companies are still offering a 3-tip exhaust, but I personally like the dual tip. I think it makes the car look just a little more aggressive, and I love that Spoon Focus did the rolled tips. I think the rolled tips on the end just look amazing. The quality of this exhaust honestly speaks for itself. It was expensive, like I said. I think after shipping and tax it was about $4,800, but you honestly get what you pay for. This is a very high quality exhaust. It looks great, and it sounds really good too. I know from the clip it probably wasn't as loud from the outside, but when you're on the inside of the car driving, which I will get a video of here shortly, hopefully next week, it does sound a lot better. It's a lot deeper inside the cabin of the car. But yes, this is the N1 Spoon exhaust for the FL5 Type R. Man, the exhaust looks so aggressive. It looks so good. Spoon really did a great job on the design of the exhaust. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up this video. Man, I am very happy to get a new exhaust on this car. I know it's not valved anymore. We did delete the OEM valve system, valve exhaust system for this car, but in all honesty, this exhaust isn't that loud, and I don't really think I would have had any settings changed if it was valved. So, like I said, this is the N1 spoon exhaust for the FL5, and I am very happy with it. It looks extremely aggressive, sounds great. Alright guys, so go ahead and give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.